Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to hyperlink in a Google slide presentation. Just like my last video, my daughter is watching Princess and the Frog, so that is going on in the background. You got two options here. You can either make a button type link, or you can just hyperlink by highlighting the text. So let me show you an example of those two different options. This is the slideshow that I make for my weekly assignments for Algebra 2. So if you look, each one of these is like a button. If you click anywhere in that rectangle, it's going to take you. So like for example, if I click in here, week 1, it takes me to that week. The other option that you have, you notice all of this text that is highlighted and underlined, that is hyperlinked as well. So if I were to click on this, it takes me to, the link that I need to go to. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so I got my sample slide pulled up. Let's say I wanted to make a button. So I would you can either insert an image, like if you have a little photo you want to use, or I usually just do text boxes. So you draw your text box. And I'm gonna format this so that you guys can see it. So if you want to do a background color, you need to have this whole box selected, not the text, the entire box. So this blue border needs to be around here. Here's your background color. If you want to add a border, you can do that. You want to make the border more prominent. There you go. So once again, you have the whole thing highlighted. And then you're going to click right here where it says Insert Link. So let's say I want them to be able to click here and it take them to, we use a website called MathXL. So I'm going to type that website, and then I can click right there and then apply. And then you can see the link is right there. It's ready to go. You could also copy and paste the link into that box. Like let's say, here's the video that I just made earlier. I can just click there and copy, so Control C. And then when I go to do that link, I could just Control V, paste that there, and now it's ready. You can see the link is right there. So when they go to look at it, it's going to look like this, and they can click anywhere in this box, and it'll take them straight to wherever you want them to go. The other option that you have is to link the text. So like earlier I showed you how it was just the text, not the entire shape that was linked. So you would just highlight your text and then same thing, go to that insert link, and then it's the same process. You just insert it and apply. So if they were to do this, if you notice, the box is not popping up with that little hand, but there it does. So it's just the text that is linked. So that is how you do that.